In this video, you'll learn how to add closed captions without using JavaScript or the default player in Storyline 360. Let's get started. First, open your course in Storyline 360. Insert your audio file onto the slide, and then preview the course.
Staying safe online can be challenging. Some websites may appear trustworthy but can lead to spyware or phishing scams, which can harm your personal information, devices, or privacy.
You'll notice that when the player is turned off, the closed captions button doesn't appear. To address this issue, we'll create a custom closed captions button. Close the preview and go back to your slide. Now insert a new button on the slide. Name this button CC, so learners know it controls the closed captions. With the button selected, open the Triggers panel. Create a new trigger and set the action to adjust a variable when the learner clicks the CC button. In the variable drop-down, choose Player.DisplayCaptions. Then, change the action from Set to Toggle. This allows learners to turn closed captions on and off using the same button. Once you're done, click OK. Now preview your course again. You'll see the new Closed Captions button on the screen. Go ahead and click it to turn the closed captions on and off.
Staying safe online can be challenging. Some websites may appear trustworthy but can lead to spyware or phishing scams, which can harm your personal information, devices, or privacy.
And that's it. You've successfully added closed captions in Storyline 360 without using JavaScript or the Storyline default player. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.